Hey guys, today on It's Live, we're making a little master stock.
I ain't gonna live.
The first thing I do in a video is I first try and set the scene. Here are some camera angles which I use. First we have the angled shot to show off my room. Then we have the side shot to show off my face. And of course we have the iconic feet shot to show off my big feet. And we also have my camera facing up to show off my height. And you know, why not just record something inside the cupboard? The things which I always try to have in my video is I always try to make it a story. So it's not just me talking to a camera, but instead it's about me doing actual stuff. You know, I think most of my videos can be described by a couple of words. Like if you go to this video could have just been done by me saying that exams in university are hard. But like I didn't just want to say that, I wanted to like show it. So that is why I put like papers on the ground, like me lying on the ground as well, to show that like exams are hard in uni and stuff like that. And like in this video, I basically talk about how my 1 year in being YouTube was like, and it could have just been summarized by saying that before I just wanted to monetize my videos and get some profit out of YouTube, but like now I realize that it's all about doing stuff that you love essentially, and that's why I make videos. But I didn't want to just say that only, so I decided to make it some sort of story. So I made it into some sort of interview kind of format. And in that video, apps that I use on my laptop, I could have just explained to everyone all of the apps that I use, but I didn't just want to do that, so I decided to like act out those apps. So if it was Krita is basically like a drawing app. I drew something on my graphics tablet, and like I had a different vibe when I talked about Spotify and stuff like that. So I try to make videos as me actually doing physical stuff and not just talking to the camera essentially. And I also have a lot of music in my video, and I try to edit my video so it matches the beats of the music. By the way, all of the songs that I use in my videos are basically copyrighted. That means if I were to get like the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, I wouldn't actually be able to monetize my videos because the songs are copyrighted. But I think that's fine because I want to make good videos, and I think that requires good songs in my opinion. I also try to have some foreshadowing in my video. So if I say something in like the beginning or the middle of the video, I try to continue what I say at the end of the video as well. And it should somehow fit the whole story together in a way. Making videos can be tough sometimes. Things can feel daunting. Editing will take a long time. All of the videos that I make are literally just in a small room. And I also steal a lot of ideas. In this video, all of these clips was actually inspired by one of Natalie Lynn's video. In this series, End of the World, they introduced the character by having a red color font and slowly zooming in, and I basically did the same thing. In this video, there's all sorts of different clips which I used, and I basically copied that idea from the movie Everything Everywhere All at Once. I've been stealing ideas from movies and like series which I've watched before. Be like a fraud sometimes. Something that I realize is that when you make videos and when you take pictures and when you try and draw something, there's some similarities between them. I realized that before you take a picture, before you take a video, before you draw something, you always have to set a scene. You always have to know what do you actually want to draw about. And like if you can't really figure out your scene, then it's easier to steal ideas from other people. So if you don't know what to draw, try and see what other people have drawn first. Or if you don't know how to take a good picture, try and see other pictures which were taken and get some ideas from other pictures. And if you don't have any ideas for editing a video, try and watch more movies and like series to get more ideas. But all in all, I think the main similarity between all of them is that all of them just takes time. You need time to form ideas. I think the beauty of making videos is that the small ordinary things can be something important in a video. For example, you can just be lying down on the floor, or just looking up at the sky, or just putting your camera in a cupboard. And those small ordinary things don't actually mean anything, but they are important in the video. And like in making videos, you don't need to be in like a big scenic place. You can just be doing stuff in a room and still make a video out of it. And I think that's the beauty of making videos. Now I'm going to steal one more idea. In the movie, The Theory of Everything, in the ending scene, everything gets rewinded back to the start of the video. So that's what I'm going to do right now.